guys, it's Rick, the cop car explorer. We're gonna be checking out these police cars. I really like their light bars. Look at that. These are vectors. It's like the classic Las Vegas. Looks like they are running Federal Signal Delta. Very nice. Ford Taurus. Look at that. There is a camera on the spotlight. Bet you never seen that before. What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto, the channel where we search decommissioned police cars for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're on that quest to find that biscuit. Right here we have a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This is from the Sheriff's Department. I am so juiced. Look at that license plate lights, and look at those. And then look at that whip antenna up there. And look at these hubcaps. You don't see this very often. Unfortunately, this one's missing. So what do you guys think about this push bar right here? Federal Signal Siren speaker. Before we get started, I want to show you this vehicle that I'm building here. Me and about 3 other vloggers are going to be raiding Area 51 first wave with this vehicle. We're gonna smash through the gate going about 140 miles per hour is what it tops out at. And as some of you may know, these police interceptors have no governors, so we'll be able to smash right through the gate no problem. This vehicle only has 21,000 miles and it runs like a champ, except this axle is broken, but I'm gonna get that fixed real soon. This was an Evoc training vehicle. We're gonna either black it out or Desert Storm camouflage it or something. Look at this thing. Guys, I do want to apologize for taking so long to make this video. Unfortunately, a lot of the cars that came in were already searched and completely blank. All right, got my gloves on and I'm ready for my search. I'm gonna start from the front and work my way all the way to the back. Take a quick look inside. Right off the top, we have thumb cuffs. I always want to call them finger cuffs, but these are thumb cuffs. It's been a while since I've seen these. These are used to arrest squirrels or hamsters. They're so tiny. I'll put that over. Oh, this is magnetic little tray here. Zookeeper. It looks like there's some type of green little ball in there. What in the world? I'm not sure what that is. These are stuck. I can't even get them to open up. You know what? Never mind. I just had a flashback of the last time I got mace in my face.
Oh shoot! I need water. Hey Rick, you alright? Go left. There's a river right over there. I think we lost them.
Data DVD. Alright, looks like they're running Touchmaster Delta. Yo. Oh, no. And this looks like a Troy center console with the charging ports here. Map light here. It's not working. I believe is where you put the steady burn or camera or something. These wires are actually live. Oh, some super heavy medicine ball of some sort. Gonna go ahead and start this baby up. Starts right up. It's only got 124,000 miles. Check under the hood. Oh, she is so dirty. Simple bath will take care of this. Well, hey, what do you know? Look what decided to turn on. 211 PC. There's nothing back here. Oh, and check out this antenna. It's like magnetic and it goes all the way. Put this over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, what's up, buddy? You all right? Yo, I know it's a little hot out here, so you got to stay hydrated, buddy. There you go. Let's take a look on the other side. Bunch of random junk. Bunch of wires. Looks like Motorola batteries. Clear ice to make you look more alert. What's this? DUI intoxication investigation. What have you eaten today? Meth in the AM. Stupid crackheads. What is this? Digital sound level meter. We're gonna remove the Federal Signal Siren speaker. Wheeling headlight flasher. Now that is some serious speaker right here with the brackets. There's two different numbers, 453 and 466. Not too sure what that is. All right, let's remove that. Okay, wonder what color these are. These are by Gals, so let's test these out. And here is the moment of truth. Red and blue, very nice. Oh, look at that. You see that? There's a hole right there. I can almost guarantee you that there's going to be all kinds of drugs in here. Oh, been having the hardest time with this. Ha! Just like I suspected. Now this is going to be either heroin, cocaine, or meth. What is it? What is it? What is it? That, my friends, that looks like crystal meth. That's probably a pretty serious charge somebody got away with. Now it's time to remove these right here. Come on. It's not lighting up. It's not lighting up. I don't know. All right, let's pop the trunk. Thank you everybody out there wishing for me to find a biscuit. I really appreciate it. Okay. It's a spare tire. Dude, a freaking Tipman Pro Carbine. Dude. Danger, this gun is not a toy. Tipman Pro Carbine. So that pepper ball, this is like the pepper ball shooter, like a paintball. You know what? I'm gonna go to the local paintball store, see if this thing works. I'm so juiced, my heart's pumping. All right guys, so that took all day, but I went and got a little thingy to hold the paintballs, and I got a tank. I even got a police sticker, but it looks like it fell. But anyways, let's go put this thing to the test. All right, so my criminal mechanic here is gonna go ahead and test it out on the Evoque vehicle. Go ahead, get closer.
What are they doing, bouncing? Oh.
Yeah, see, they're coming out.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Light that thing up. Thing is tight, huh?
Yeah, after a long day at work, bro, this is fun.
Yeah. Okay, so I found this piece in the back of the cop car, and I found out that the cops actually put pepper balls in there.
Oh, really?
And they shoot little pepper balls. Yeah, I found one pepper ball. Sweet mother. Funny man volunteered to get pegged and bounce right off of him. Look at this. You may see an ugly car. I see beauty. Spotlights, center console, possible gun, brand new Firehawks, very nice, very excellent condition hubcaps. A nice running engine, hopefully. A Go Rhino push bar. I need it, I want it, I must have it.